friends, Adnan here. Today I am going to share with you the PowerPoint presentation of food and nutrition. Why do we need nutrition? Nutrition that is taken in food is important for proper growth and health. What are nutrients? Substances that are present in the food that keeps our body healthy and fit. What are the five major types of nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Which nutrients give us quick energy? Carbohydrates. Name the main sources of carbohydrates. Grains, potato, banana, and sugar. People who do a lot of physical work needs to eat large amounts of carbohydrates. Dash nutrient is the primary source of energy. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is also known as dash, energy giving food. Dash nutrient is needed for growth and to repair worn out or injured part of our body. Protein. Who needs more protein? Growing children need more proteins than adults. Name any two plant sources of protein. Soya bean and rajma. Protein is also known as dash, bodybuilding food. Name any three examples for animal sources of proteins. Meat, milk, and egg. Carbohydrates and dash give us energy. Fats. What is the function of fat? Fats help to keep our body warm. Name two examples of food rich in fats. Butter and nuts. Which nutrient is known as energy storing food? Fats. What is the function of vitamins and minerals? They help our body to fight diseases. Wow! We need vitamins and minerals in dash amounts to keep the body healthy. Small amounts. Write any two food from which we get vitamins and minerals. Fresh fruits and vegetables. What is the function of vitamin K? It helps to clot blood. Vitamin A is needed for dash and healthy skin. Good eyesight. Which mineral makes our bones and teeth strong? Calcium. Give any two examples of fruits rich in vitamin C. Oranges and guavas. What is the function of iron in our body? It helps in the formation of blood. Which vitamin helps the bones and teeth grow? Vitamin D. What are the functions of water? It helps to digest food, absorb the digested food, and remove waste from our body. What is roughage? The part of the food that cannot be digested is called roughage. Name two sources of roughage. Salads and oats. What is the role of roughage in digestion? It helps to remove the undigested part of food from the body. A diet that has the right amount of all the nutrients that we need is known as dash, balanced diet. What is food preservation? Stopping food from getting spoiled for a long time is called food preservation. Name any three methods of food preservation: deep freezing, drying, canning, or bottling. Thanks for watching my video. Until the next video, this is Adnan signing out.